everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another video for you. Today we're going to learn that how we can place a picture inside the text. So let's start by creating a new one. The first step is to change the color of the background to any other random color. So I'm going to take black, and then we can take a new layer as text. So you can write whatever you want to write. So maybe I'll write desert, and then we can go to layer and rasterize it, and then we're going to free transform this according to our choice. We can make it in any way. We can resize it according to our choice. So I think this is fine, and we can click upon apply, and then we're gonna click upon the settings and flatten the image. Now let's go and add an image. So this is our image added. Let me just resize it, and then we can even free transform this one. And then when you think that it's okay, we can apply it. And I think let me just make the transparency to 58 something, and then let me just hide it for a while, and I'm gonna go to one select, and then you can select this area and cut it. So now after the one select, it is completely ready. So let us tick it, and as you can see, it looks like this, and we can increase the opacity to 100 now, and it really looks superb. So you can create in this way whatever you want in PIXLR. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.